Hello, my name is Daniela Peñalosa Calderon. I'm in a de facto relationship. I'm from in the municipality of Honda, Tolima. I'm 22 years old. I work as a nursing assistant in the area of pediatrics and neonates. I currently studying a second semester of psychology at UNAM. I live in Honda, Tolima. In my free time, I like to travel, enjoy, share with my family and partner, dance, cultural dance. The main tourist places in my municipality are the Market Square, the River Museum, the Street of the Tracks, the Cathedral Heights del Rosario, the Navarra Bridge, the Alfonso López Pumarejo Museum, the Agua Sola Alegría Water Park. My town is a cultural heritage site, has many tourist sites, and is also called the City of the Bridge. The main tourist points of my municipality are the Market Square, the José León Armero Park, the boardwalk where they hold folkloric, cultural and gastronomic meetings, and the river hike of Magdalena, especially during the Subienda season. The typical dishes in my municipality are the suckling pig, Tolimen's tamal, fish with our Creole chicken, and the achiras or bizcochos. In my municipality celebrate the time of Subienda Reño. Its presentation, marching bands, comedians, orchestra, cultural dance, mechanical plays of the children. In my town, you can carry out various activities in the river of Pool Afternoon, the tour boat in the River Magdalena, the horseback riding, photography, sushi, and fishing.